Good morning and welcome to the Thumb English. I am Prato Sharma and you are watching News Flash. Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai criticized Actor Vijay's new political party, calling it khichdi politics unlikely to succeed. Returning from a break at Oxford, Annamalai stated Vijay's entry won't affect BJP's prospects in the state. Delhi's AQI improved to 273, the best in a month thanks to dry northwesterly winds and sunlight. This marks a relief for residents after 32 days of very poor or severe air quality. Central Intelligence warned of increased terrorist infiltration attempts in Jammu and Kashmir. Due to favorable weather, security forces were directed to monitor secret supply bases and tackle new tactics using local on-ground workers. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee urged PM Modi and UN to ensure minority safety in Bangladesh following the arrest of Hindu monk Chinmoy Krishna Das and escalating violence against minorities. Pro-EU protests in Georgia persist after alleged fraudulent elections. Demonstrators clashed with the police during a fourth night of unrest demanding justice and opposing the ruling Georgian Dream Party. Bangladesh Foreign Advisor Tauheed Hussain emphasized maintaining a normal relationship with India despite allegation of rising minority attacks. He downplayed the incidents as isolated and non-regime specific. Syria's President Bashar al-Assad accused the US of using Islamist rebels to redraw the region's map. Russia and Syrian forces launched deadly airstrikes to counter rebel gains after Aleppo's fall. Shrikant Shinde, son of caretaker Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde, dismissed speculation of him being in the race of deputy CM. He labeled the rumors as baseless amid delays in government formation. The Supreme Court summoned Chief Secretaries of Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan and UP over non-compliance with subsistence allowance payments to construction workers amid NCR's pollution crisis. Farmers paused the Delhi Chalo March after discussions with the Noida authorities, giving a 7-day ultimatum for fulfilling demands including land acquisition compensation. Traffic on key expressways has resumed. Former Punjab Deputy CM Sukhbir Singh Badal received a religious punishment from Sri Akal Takht for supporting Dera Sacha Sauda's chief in 2015 sacrilege cases. Badal will clean kitchens and serve langars as penance. Outgoing US President Joe Biden granted his son Hunter Biden a full and unconditional pardon for gun crime and tax convictions, calling the charges politically motivated before Trump's administration begins. Indian American Kash Patel, nominated as FBI Director by US President-elect Donald Trump, joined social media platform X. His first post received massive engagement, including a comment from Elon Musk. PM Modi invited Russian President Vladimir Putin for a high-profile India visit in early 2025. Kremlin confirmed plans for a meeting under the annual bilateral summit agreement. Violence at a soccer match in Guinea led to 56 deaths after controversial refereeing triggered chaos. Police tear gas caused a crush with minors among the victims in the packed stadium. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said India expects greater collaboration with the US under Trump's second administration. He highlighted deepening strategic convergences at the CII Partnership Summit 2024. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.